Hi everyone. This is pretty late for a Sunday. I do, but what happened is yesterday my dog had jumped off the couch. Somehow I don't know if she pulled a muscle or something like that, but she was really it really hurt her. Even if I just did with one finger like that, she was yelping, yelp, yelp, yelp. So that was really something that I got my mind into, I'm thinking she's old. Is this it? Is this the end? So I slept with her downstairs and I didn't get much sleep last night. Then I made a couple of videos today. Didn't work out at all. And now all of a sudden she's doing quite well. She just jumped up and down on the couch again, and there's nothing that even shows a sign of her hurting or something like that, so I don't know what was going on. But I am going to sleep downstairs tonight with her, just to make sure. So again, a night without much sleep, but that's okay. If you have animals, you gotta love them. They're right? Yes. Okay, so I did 2 paintings this morning. They were total disasters. Really, really bad. I'm telling you, really, really, really bad. See how bad my hands are? Bad. But I'm going to post them anyway because I like to keep it real. So I'll show you them after I post this one. So I'm hoping this one's going to be good because I'm a little, happy that my dog is better. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is the same thing I did yesterday. I'm going to cover this whole thing up with white. This time I'm not going to use a brush. I'm going to use the palette knife, as you can see. And then I am going to do a bottle cap pourer because I like my bottle cap pours. And anyone that does a bottle cap pour, no troubles at all. You don't have to mention that you saw it on my channel because I think it has been done a zillion times before. I really do think so, because I think we all like to imagine that we come up with this stuff, but we really don't, because I'm pretty sure it's been done before. There's not much you can do with paint that hasn't, that no one has done. There we go. Nice and smooth, but I do want to do the sides just in case it's going to turn out awesome. And you really never know when that is, right? So we're going to do the sides. Now, I did a little video of my backyard, which I will stick on the end of this video, just to show the beautiful weather we had today. And it's already pretty late. Oops, what's that there? I don't like that. So, let's get that out. So, we had some really, really awesome weather. And it's really hot in the studio already. And I'll remind my husband that he wanted to check out someone who does the air conditionings. I really need one in the studio. Okay, what time is it? It's 6:45 almost. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 4 together in the middle, 4 little bottle caps. And I'm going to use bronze, which I'm going to put in the middle there. And it's going to come a little bit over the top, just to see how that works out. There we go. That's it. That's about what I think is going to be pretty, because I do want this bronze sort of popping up all over the place. Then I'm going to come in with a nice pink color and a little bit more of that. But you know, I have my dog on, I don't know how you call it in English, glucosamina. That is for the joints. So we've given her that from day one when we got her, because she already, when we picked her up, she had something with her hind legs. And ever since we gave her that, that was pretty much over. So I'm hoping that, you know, maybe she just had a pinched nerve or something like that. I don't know. But she's doing really well at the moment, so I'm pretty happy with that. Two scoopies. Then we had friends come over, which we normally never have, so I had to do that too. But it's Easter weekend. So tomorrow is second Easter day here in Holland. We have two of those where all the shops usually are closed. People go to the garden centers, they are open, and the furniture shops. We have these really big, like you have a mall, we have the furniture malls. I guess you have them too. And that's where people go on second Easter day. Well, a lot of people go on a short vacation too, because the kids are all free from school. So that's stuff that happens here in Holland. Now let's do a little bit more of the dark, because we do want a little contrast in everything. Okay, now they're pretty full now. You've seen me layer it up, and now we're going to flop them on top. Let's see if we can do that really fast. Ooh, that's fast. But I got my finger in there. Yep. Okay, that one spilled out. Then we're going to put a little bit more paint here along the sides, just to make it flow a little bit more. And then I'm going to release it like this. That is pretty. And there we got the nice bronze color popping up. That's what I was going for. I think I should spread it just a little like that. Just a little torchy poo. Not too much. Don't want to do too much of that pouring. Torching. I got some nice cell action going on here. That's pretty. Let me see if I can get you in, zoom you in. See that? That's looking nice. Zooming back out. Now, what I would like is for both going over the edges, because I like that. And I'm going to be using toothpicks. Because I really like when paint comes down here, and I'm going to push it up here and a little bit bunchy down there. And then I'm going to let it come over the side. See that? And that's the same I'm going to do up here. So bunch it up here and bunch it up there and let it come down the side. There you go. Now there's a lot of gold going on between the pinks, and that's something I really like. Now the only thing I don't like is because it's sort of round and there's not much going on. And I'm looking for something I can do to the background, because the last one, it really went into the background. That was really pretty, and I'm seeing that this is not going to be doing that. So I'm looking for something that, let's see, like up here. I think I'll blow with a straw. I think that might work. but we're going to do it really softly. That makes it look a little bit better. I'm pretty sure if I do this with my airbrush that the paint will splatter all over. And that's something that we don't like. That looks okay. And then I want to have it a little bit bigger. Let's see. I thought I had some tubing. Nope. Yep. Tube. That's looking better. Yeah. I think I'd like it if it was a little bit more straight. Like that. And then of course we have to do the other side too. So we keep all the cells intact, but we only get like the sides are going to be blown out. Okay, that's it. I think that's perfect. And I'd hang it up like this. I think it's really pretty. I like the colors, but I like them because of the bronze sort of metallic coming through. That really gives it that really beautiful touch, as you can see. How pretty that is. That is really pretty. Okay, let's leave it like this. All I want to do is, with the background color, just do the sides just a little bit. This will go flat, but I do want, where I touched it with my thumbs, I do want the corners back covered in paint. And this is going to flatten out. There we go. I'm glad I did it, because that, you know, it ends the day on a positive note. And I'm sure you can recognize that. Sometimes you're, you know, doing your thing and all of a sudden everything goes wrong. And then, you know, you get left with that feeling of not accomplishing something. And then when you stop the day with this, then it makes it all better. So let me get you back in. See all the cells and the beautiful swirly patterns it has. And of course you can see the gold. That's kind of pretty. Okay guys, I think this is it. I don't have much to clean up. I can just, you know, take the paper, throw it away. I'm going to put some lids on the pinks because I might do another one tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow because of second Easter day. And we'll just see. Maybe I'll have time to do that. I'm hoping my dog is going to be like really well tomorrow, that she's going to jump up and down all over the place. Then I'll be really happy. And that's going to be it. So I'm going to wish you all a perfect Sunday. And if you're off tomorrow, I wish you a happy Monday too. And if you have to go to work, I wish you a happy Monday anyway. Because everyone needs a happy Monday, right? Okay guys, thanks all for watching. Love you all to pieces. Lieb euch alle. Hou voor jullie allemaal. See you in the next one. Bye bye.